Hi guys, and welcome to my Mazda RX-8 channel. My name is Serge, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your crankshaft position sensor. Now if you clicked on this video, chances are you cannot start your vehicle on hot. Maybe you cannot actually start your vehicle at all for whatever reason. And chances are you probably have a crankshaft position sensor code just like I do, because that's actually what popped up on my screen when I actually read the codes. Plus misfire in cylinder 1 for the ignition coil, which I already replaced. Feel free to check this out on my channel. I'm going to try to link it up in the description below if I remember to do so. If not, check it out. It's going to be in a Mazda RX-8 playlist. But anyways guys, I'm going to show you the easy way to replace the crankshaft position sensor. Let's begin. Still gotta install the crankshaft position sensor. So I'm actually going to raise this. So now I gotta do the same thing to the other side. Okay, let's go ahead and raise this side up. So pretty much the whole car is off the ground. So anyways guys, to replace the crankshaft position sensor, you need to go underneath your car, you need to raise it up really good, and you need to find the sensor. So let me see here. So let me show you where the sensor is. So the sensor, it is this little grayish thing right here. Now what I have done is I used the flathead screwdriver to press on this and to release. Let's see, I have to work through the camera to release this. I'm not left-handed. Okay. So guys, what I have done is I used the flathead screwdriver to press on this end and another flathead screwdriver to slightly pry it. And I believe it's ready to come off. I'm not really sure. So let me slightly remove it and go from there. So to remove the gray connector, there's not a lot of room here, so you'll need to work with what you got. So I had two flathead screwdrivers, so I used it to press that end right there to basically release it like this. But there's like literally, there's no place for hands. I mean, you could kind of put your hand in this opening here, but you can't really get any leverage. So now the next step in that removal process is you'll need to get a 10mm ratchet, and you need to install it on, let's see, onto there. Like so. Sorry guys for the shakiness. As you can see, very hard to reach in there. So basically, it's nearly impossible to try to do this with holding my iPhone over here and trying to work. But you could kind of see this crankshaft position sensor got, let's see if I could zoom in on this. You could see it's got like metal particles. They're magnetized themselves to it. So I could imagine this is causing some interference, and this is why my crankshaft sensor is no longer good. Plus, age will definitely do it. And either way, guys, this is how you replace it. So let me put another one back in and show you the complete installed sensor. As you can see, my new sensor is installed. Now it's a matter of plugging it in. Let's see if I could get that bolt. It is such a tough location. Yeah, it looks like this is a better angle, but this is my working angle. But there it is, it's installed. There you have it, guys. The sensor has been installed, and now we should be okay for the startability issues. But hopefully this video made sense to you guys and made the installation of the crankshaft sensor a breeze. Please hit a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about the Mazda RX-8 and their problems. So if you do have a Mazda RX-8, then chances are my videos are going to be of help to you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And just like that, the video is over. Guys, if this was helpful to you, consider subscribing. Also hit a like in this video. It doesn't cost anything. The whole idea of this channel is to share information with other Mazda RX-8 owners. So if you guys have any of your friends or social media, please share these videos on social media. That way, the very few RX-8 owners that do exist can get the help that they deserve when it comes to working on the Mazda RX-8. Guys, please support the channel by subscribing. That is all. Hit the like button and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.